Start solving this. 10 into 5. 2 square can be written as 4. Division 4. This equation becomes 50 minus 4 division 4, and you get 46 division 4, and final answer would be 11.5. Sorry to say, this is totally incorrect. Why is that? Because math works in an order, and that order is known as PEMDAS. So when you solve this, no matter if you're tempted to solve for division, multiplication, square, you have to follow this rule. First in order comes parenthesis. Solve for 8 plus 2 first. You have 10. Next in order comes exponential. Exponent is something like a raised to the power b. In this case, we have 2 square. So this becomes 4 division 4. Next, although you have multiplication in line, multiplication and division have same priority, and if both are present, solve the one that comes first going from left to right. So 10 multiplied by 5 comes first. Solve it. Then solve for division. 50 minus 1. And lastly for subtraction, giving 49 as the correct answer.